What connects a 5,000-year-old clay tablet to little yellow faces on your phone? The story of writing is the story of human connection. Let's journey from cuneiform to emojis in this video. Writing began as a means to record commerce and law, and evolved into art, literature, and digital shorthand. Today, we type tweets of 280 characters or send an emoji to express an entire sentence. But it all started in ancient Mesopotamia. Around 3200 BCE, Sumerian merchants in Uruk invented cuneiform, wedge-shaped impressions on wet clay. Originally pictograms, simple pictures of goods, it quickly became abstract symbols for sounds and ideas. This was the world's first true writing system. In Egypt, hieroglyphs combined pictures and phonetic signs for rituals and monuments. But complex script slowed literacy. Enter the Phoenicians, circa 1050 BCE, who simplified 1,000+ symbols into 22 letters, each representing a sound. Their alphabet would be the ancestor of Greek, Latin, and ultimately, our own ABCs. Fast forward to 1440 CE, Johannes Gutenberg invents movable type in Mainz, Germany. Suddenly, books are cheaper, ideas spread faster, and literacy soars. The printing press didn't just share knowledge, it ignited the Renaissance and Reformation. The 19th century brought typewriters, standardizing QWERTY keyboards still used today. In the 1980s and 90s, personal computers and word processors transformed writing into a digital craft, instantly editable, searchable, and shareable worldwide. In 1999, Japanese engineer Shigetaka Kurita created 176-pixel perfect images to liven up text on early mobile web pages. Emojis caught on globally after Apple added them in 2011. Today, over 3,600 emojis let us convey tone, humor, and emotion, sometimes replacing whole sentences. Writing adapts to our needs and technologies, from durable clay to fleeting tweets. As our attention spans shorten and media blend, expect new forms, animated emoji, voice-to-text, and maybe brain-computer interfaces. The core goal remains the same: share ideas, record history, and connect. From wedge-shaped marks to tiny yellow faces, writing reflects who we are. What's your favorite writing innovation? Drop it in the comments. If you loved this 3-minute journey, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives.